Hi, my name is Anuj Shah, and I am the founder and principal financial planner at financial planning and wealth management firm Wealth 360, where we take a 360-degree view of our clients' finances to help them build, manage, and preserve wealth for generations. Our services include investment planning, tax planning and filing of income tax returns, accounting and bookkeeping services, insurance planning, will drafting and estate planning services, and much more. To know more about our services, you can visit our website wealth360.in. In this video, we are going to see how you can make your real estate investment tax free using Section 54. When you sell a residential property which is held for more than 24 months, which means it's a long-term capital asset, then selling price of such a property minus the indexed cost price of that property will give you your long-term capital gains or the profits that you have made in this transaction. Now, these long-term capital gains are subject to long-term capital gain tax at the rate of 20%. But you can save this entire long-term capital gain tax if you reinvest the long-term capital gains to buy or construct another residential house. There are few things that you will have to keep in mind. Firstly, the purchase of the new residential property should be made within a period of 1 year before or 2 years after the date of transfer of original property. Secondly, the new residential property purchased should be held for at least 3 years. Otherwise, the exemption will be revoked. Finally, the maximum deduction that you can take under Section 54 is 10 crores. This is just one of the many ways in which you can make your real estate investment tax free. To know more ways in which you can make your real estate investment more tax efficient, make sure you see our second video, that is part 2 of how to make your real estate investment tax free, which we will be uploading shortly. Meanwhile, you can like, share, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you get notifications every time we upload new videos. I hope you found this information useful. Thanks for watching.